Welcome people. Today is the day I travel to Mostar. I'm so excited because the weather in Mostar is boiling hot. Apparently it feels like a sauna at the moment. So I'm going to talk you through how to navigate your way through the railway station, and also I'll talk you through how much I bought my ticket for as well, and that will give you an indication of what to expect when you come around here. Excuse the noise in the background. They are doing some clearing out of unwanted plants on the floor. I was going to say the W word, but sometimes it might be misconstrued by the algorithm. Those that do YouTube would understand. So there are various ways to travel to Mostar. Of course, you can obviously decide to take a coach if that's what you're interested in, or you can take a taxi, or you can take a train. But to me, the train is inexpensive and it costs 14 BAM, that's Bosnian currency, so it doesn't cost much at all, and 14 BAM is really cheap. That's peanuts basically. So if you make your way to the railway station, the first thing you need to do is to buy your ticket, because there are two trains that go to Mostar. I mean, there are two time slots that people have to make to get to Mostar. There's one around 7 o'clock in the morning, and the other one is at 4 o'clock in the evening. So my advice is, if you come somewhat early before we go to the train station, I think get something to munch on. So I'm gonna just take you to the restaurant I went to earlier and get yourself something nice to eat.